Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how you can make sprites draggable in the full screen mode. So when I'm working on my project and editing it, I can move sprites around as much as I want. However, if a player were to be using this project, these sprites you can't not move when you try and drag them. The reason why is because we actually need to add in a block that makes it so that we can drag the sprite. Now, to do that, I'm going to go ahead and say I want this to start as soon as I press the green flag. And what I want to start is set drag mode to draggable. There's two options in here, draggable, not draggable. I want it to make it so that it's draggable. It's kind of a funny sounding word. So when I press the green flag, now when I'm in this full screen mode, because I just added this code to the shoes, I can actually move the shoes around and drag it onto my sprite, but I can't move anything else around because I haven't added this code onto those sprites. However, if I were to take this and drop it onto each one of these, it's going to make it so that I can very quickly add this code to every single one of the sprites that I want to add this onto and make draggable. So now, green flag, full screen mode, now I can actually drag around these sprites because I have added in that code, which has these two blocks. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.